Hi everybody, this is Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations. I'm glad to finally be back with you today for a video. I have a quick tip to share with you today. I'm going to ask you to forgive me if I sniffle a lot in the video. I've had some sinus issues that I'm trying to take care of, and I'm a whole lot better, but I'm still very sniffly. So I apologize if I sniffle too much, but I wanted to bring this quick tip to you. So we have in our new annual catalog, and if you're one of my customers, you should have gotten yours already. And if not, you can become a customer by going into my online shop, placing an order, and I'll be happy to go ahead and send a catalog to you. You can also access it online from the link below this video to see everything that's in it. But I like to hold a catalog in my hands. But anyhow, so we have lots of dies in the catalog that are detailed and intricate like this one. Okay, this particular one is a new one. It's part of the bundle for the Abstract Impressions stamp set, or you can buy it separately. It's called the Springtime Impressions Thinlit Dies. And isn't this die gorgeous? Look at that. Okay, so my big thing, you have this die. How do you glue this piece down, right? Well, there's a bunch of different ways. You can flip it upside down. You can use our Tombow multi-liquid glue on a paper plate or on your silicone sheet and a sponge, and once you have your piece, you can just dab the back of it with the glue and then put it on. I tend to get my fingers all caught up in it, so trying to find other ways. In looking through our catalog, on page 213, we have multi-purpose adhesive sheets. They are $10 for a pack of 12, and let me show you. Game changer. Let me go ahead and move my catalog. Okay, you get 12 6x12 sheets in here. They are great. I already have mine pre-cut for this, and actually I have it over here. But there's 12 sheets in here, and you can just cut them into pieces, okay? Which is what I did for the thank you piece that I used here from that die, which is also a new die. It comes in the bundle a big thanks, I believe, but you can also buy it separately, the thank you thinlit. And I'll have all the products listed below. But I wanted to show you this quick tip. So I have my die. Let me move my card. And come here. All right, I have my piece of Mellow Mambo, which is what I cut it out at, and I have a piece of my adhesive. So it says peel here. All right, so I'm going to bend this back, and I'm going to peel this. All right, and I'm going to stick this side in my right hand to the cardstock. I'm going to put that right there. Now, if you know you're going to cut a bunch of these, then I would just go ahead and adhere a whole piece. But and then you can make this whole piece of paper sticker. But I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to line up my die in that corner. Because see, it's going to be over the adhesive part. Let me get my big shot. For this die, you want to go ahead and use your precision platform. Since it's so detailed, it'll just give you a better cut. All right, I'm going to lay it on here. Put my plate on top, okay, and whoop, this wasn't straight. All right, and I'm going to run it through. Okay, and I'm going to run it through again, the opposite direction. It's a detailed one, and I just want to make sure, I don't know why that's not straight, and I just want to make sure that it cuts out all the way. Hold on, I'm not quite sure why this won't go through. There we go. Okay, I just wasn't catching it right. Of course, because I'm trying to do it on camera, right? All right. Any other time it would be just fine. All right, let me go ahead and grab this. And then I'm going to grab my die brush, okay, and mat. All right, sorry about that. The phone rings off the hook during the day, it seems. Anyhow, I'm going to get my die brush, okay, and I'm going to get all those little pieces out before I pull it up. Another handy tool for these intricate dies, okay, and then we should be able to pull it right out. All right, great, and I have a couple little pieces, but they cut all the way through, so I can just poke them out with my fingernail. Or I can keep using my die brush here just a little bit. I almost got them all here. All right, there we go. So now I have this die. All the little spots are out, okay, and it's ready to put on my card. So, like I said, you could get your silicone mat and you could put your Tombow mono adhesive on it and get a sponge dauber, okay, and then flip this over and put your glue on the back and then put it on. But because I used the adhesive sheet, now this is just a sticker, okay? So all I'm gonna have to do to put it on my Mellow Mambo card base is grab a side, peel it off. The whole thing, I don't know if you can see it, has adhesive on it. I don't know if you can see that. The whole thing has adhesive on it, so the whole thing is sticky. So now I can just go ahead and lay it down. And there we go. And it's adhered to my card base. Nice and solid. So I'm going to do the same thing with the word thank you. Let me grab my piece of black. And let me grab my scraps of my adhesive sheets here. If I have scraps in here. And the directions are inside. So it tells you here. Remove the top sheet from the adhesive sheet. Place your cardstock on the paper on the adhesive. Cut the cardstock using the Big Shot. Remove the backing from the die cut shape. Easy peasy. And again, you have 12 sheets. So $10, 12 sheets. Super, super great. All right. Go ahead and this is a side that doesn't have little tabs, but that's okay. This piece comes off pretty easily. So I'm going to measure that out. I don't need that. I'm going to go ahead and cut that off because that would be great for then turning around and die cut a small flower. All right, let me peel this off. Easy as can be. Put that on there. All right, so we're making that into a sticker. Let me go ahead and grab my thank you die, which is over here. All right, so I see where my adhesive sheet is. I'm gonna put my thank you right here. All right, I'm gonna get my Big Shot back. So y'all can watch me struggle with that again on camera. It's really not hard to do. I just, it's hard to do with the camera in your face, but it's not hard to do. There we go. Much better. Thank you. Rolling once, rolling twice. All right. Pop that out. Let me go ahead and get my mat here, even though these pieces are bigger. Let's just do it the easy way. All right. Pull up my word thank you. All right, so there we go. So that's a sticker too. So now all I'm going to do is peel off the background. Like so. And again, page 213, I'll have it linked here at the bottom with the multi-purpose adhesive sheets. Love them. I don't know why I didn't see them before. I apparently got them a while ago. I just hadn't used them, and I discovered them the other day when I wanted to make a bunch of cards with this die. Oh, all right. Thank you. So there we go. Can that be any easier? Now let's see. If we want to lift this up and move it to reposition it, we can, because truly, until it's sitting there for a while, it's not permanently stuck. So I'm a little crooked, so I'm just going to peel this up gently and scooch it over. All right, now let's try it again. I think that might be straight. Yep, much better. Much better. All right, anyway, you don't need to see me mess with that. That is all because of me and my retentiveness about being straight. There we go, perfect. Thank you. So now we have that one, and we have that one, and this is all ready to put on a card base, and I have 2 thank you cards made with that, and it looks like that's embossed. So I just wanted to share that quick tip with you. I'll have everything linked below. I also wanted to share with you that for my customers, the month of June 2018, for anyone that places an order using a host code, you will get a handmade card from me along with a free gift in the mail. However, if you place an order of $150 or more, I am sending everyone a Simply Chamois, my new favorite tool from the new catalog, for preliminarily wiping off my stamps. This is great with the Stamparatus. And when I'm working at my table, I can wipe them off real quick, and then later, before I put them away, I use my Stampin' Scrub to finish. But I have the download for this case insert on my blog, randyscraftycreations.com. It just fits into one of our clear mount cases, which is great. Your chamois fits inside. Okay, and then it just stays moist, and if it dries out, you just go ahead and spritz it with water. So again, anyone who places an order of $150 or more on my shopping page, I will send you the chamois as a thank you gift for me, along with your handmade card, and you can download the case insert, and the cases are available for purchase on my site, or I'm sure some of you have cases around. I know I like to condense stamp sets, so I always have cases around, but you can put it right in one of our stamp cases. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this quick tip helps you. And I'm Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations. I'll talk to you soon, and have a great day.